Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best cake decorating tools on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Wilton Beginning Buttercream Decorating Set. This set comes with 10 stainless steel decorating tips, including the essentials, like a small and large round, star, petal, and leaf, plus 10 disposable plastic decorating bags. The baggies are extra durable and easy to handle, and we love that the tips can be cleaned in the dishwasher. As an added bonus, an easy-to-follow instruction booklet is included. No more pipe dreams. This is the real deal for beginning decorators. Learn and practice all kinds of piping designs with this Wilton Beginning Buttercream Decorating Kit. This Wilton decorating set is the perfect starter set for aspiring decorators to use on amazing cakes and sweet treats. This Wilton decorating kit contains piping tips that are made of stainless steel and disposable bags made of plastic. Dishwasher safe. However, for best results, wash the Wilton piping tips in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. 10 decorating tips that includes round tip 5, round tip 8, round tip 12, star tip 18, star tip 1M, star tip 21, petal tip 104, petal tip 124, specialty tip 233, leaf tip 352, 10 disposable decorating bags and illustrated icing techniques. Number 2. Second best pick is OXO Good Grips Bent Icing Spatula. It doesn't get much better than this OXO spatula. The handle's made from non-slip silicone that will feel comfortable to grip no matter how lengthy the task. The stainless steel blade is bent to elevate your hand so you'll have adequate clearance above the surface of your dessert. It's flexible, too, which means the blade won't break the surface of your cake, and the offset angle means you won't end up with icing all over your countertop. Features: perfect for icing cakes, brownies, and other pan-baked goods. Flexible, stainless steel blade provides control while preventing breakage. Bent icing blade ensures adequate clearance. Soft, non-slip handle. Dishwasher safe. Number 3. Third best pick is Ateco cast iron and non-slip pad cake stand. Decorating a cake is much easier when you're able to rotate it on its cake stand. Frosting application is faster. Plus the cake itself, versus you, does the moving as you add details or extra decorations around the exterior. We love this one from Ateco for its ideal height and weight, smooth rotation, and attractive look. Features: revolving cake stand, cast iron base, 12-inch diameter aluminum top, non-slip pad included, hand wash only, made in the USA. Number 4. Fourth best pick is KitchenAid Artisan Series 5 QT Stand Mixer with Pouring Shield. A top-performing stand mixer will make baking a lot easier, plus it'll improve the taste and texture of your results. You can turn to our test's champion for perfectly whipped egg whites, so smooth homemade buttercream, and evenly mixed cake batter or bread dough. It comes with great basics, plus you can add accessories like a pasta maker, spiralizer, or juicer. Features: 10-speed slide control ranges from a very fast whip to a very slow stir. Includes flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip. Power hub for additional attachments. 14.1 inches depth, 13.9 inches height, and 8.7 inches width. Unique mixing action. Power cord length, 4.0. Electrical Hertz 60. Assembled with pride in Greenville, Ohio. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. Number 5. Fifth best pick is Wilton Adjustable Cake Leveler for leveling and torting. A cake leveler is a must-have for those new at cake decorating. This tool stands up on your countertop, so it stays steady at one height as you move the blade over the surface of your cake to trim it so the outside is perfectly even. It's easier than using a serrated knife to ensure that all cake layers are exactly the same height. Features: This Wilton adjustable cake leveler is the quick and easy way to create even cake layers, consistent in height. The sturdy adjustable blade slices smoothly through cakes for perfect leveling and torting. Measure the height you need on the Wilton cake leveler, starting from the feet up. Position wire into notches at desired height, with plastic feet standing on the work surface. Cut into the edge of the cake using sawing motion. The plastic feet on the Wilton cake leveler provide stability to keep an even cut all the way through, making this small leveler perfect for cakes 10-inch and smaller. Cake leveler adjusts up to 2-inch high. This Wilton cake leveler is dishwasher safe, however for best results, wash in warm, soapy water before first and after each use. Includes 1 cake leveler, dimensions, 12-inch, 30.4 centimeters, wide and 6.25-inch, 15.8 centimeters, high. Wire adjusts up to 2-inch, 5 centimeters, high. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.